Welcome back to another video, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday afternoon and it is it was beautiful out here a second ago. Friday, we got some parts coming for the 5.0. So I've been very hesitant on ordering parts for this car for, I don't know, a while now. And I think it's time that I finally started ordering stuff. So I got a couple parts coming in the mail throughout this week. Woo. What is going up, everyone? Good afternoon. Two things. One, I'm filthy, and pardon me. I just got back from work and the coilovers arrived. And so I decided I'm just gonna stay in my work attire. Alright, ladies and gents, I got the front coilovers in. I just lowered it a little bit to see how it sits. With my kind of pre-done adjustment, I haven't done any fine-tuning yet. However, this is how it sits without any adjustment. So that's camber all the way out and camber all the way in without adjusting the plates on the top. And it's a little low for my liking. So what I'm going to do now is take the tape measure from, the top of the tire, and then find where I want the fender and then go in there and raise it that much on the coilover. So should be pretty easy, and then the rears are so easy to get in. So let me go ahead and finish these fronts. I'll throw in the rears and then we should be done. Welcome back to the video, guys. So it has been probably about an hour or two and I finally got the car done. So that's how it's gonna sit. I am really happy with it. My last Mustangs, I had to go max low in the rear. However, with these coilovers, I was able to raise them a little bit, which, I like how that looks. So that's the rear. That's the front. And I tried to match them all the way around. So not too bad. Anyway, I'm gonna get cleaned up, get all this mess taken care of, and then I'm gonna go take it around the block, see how I like them. Voila, here we are. It's the next day. I got carried away and ended up doing a lot of this. I'm sorry about that. I need to film more. I need to get in the habit of filming when I say I'm going to, so I apologize. But the coilovers are on. The rears were easy as normal. That's how I like it to sit up front, I don't like it to tuck too much, if any. So that's kind of how I got it sitting right now, front and rear. Like I said, I really like the, one finger, and then in the rear, I like it the same way, just barely one finger. But I'm not having any tire rubbing issues yet, as you can see. So that's really exciting. No rubber up there. Doesn't even look like it is rubbing off the paint or pushing it out or anything, which is fabulous because I was worried about my quarters getting pushed out. So I'm very happy about that. And I guess we'll see how they hold up on the track. This problem right here will be solved when I do get my panhard bar, because that's the only thing this car is missing. As you can see, this one is tucking a little bit more than that other side. Getting my hands all filthy. I also did get my new front splitter installed, and I am very, very happy with how the car turned out. It looks fabulous. And I'm keeping tabs on how much I'm spending on this car, trying to make the best budget build and document it for you guys. So right now I'm just over I'm about 13.9 into the car as of now, so very, very exciting. The car came with a lot of mods on it, got a great deal, and then traded the welds for HREs, a good street tire, and wheel combo that is very nice. About 700 for the coilovers and 200 for the splitter. So we're sitting at about $13,900 right now for the car, which I'm very, very pleased with. So I can't complain. If you guys think I could do anything better to this car to make it better for budget, let me know. What I am going to do next, I think, is some interior parts. I do want some racing seats and a little harness bar, or maybe rear cage with the rear seats elite. Get the roll cage paint matched, and maybe white harnesses I think would look sick, but I guess we'll see when that time comes. I also do need big front brake kits. You know, I need a fixed caliper design instead of the floating caliper, which means the 1 versus 2 piece calipers. Most older performance cars and you know, lesser performance cars have these kind of calipers, which are a floating caliper. They're the 2-piece design. You know, one side pushes in and pulls the other side in with it. The fixed design is much better for, you know, racing and stuff. So I am gonna get the big brake kit with a fixed caliper setup here shortly, but like I said, that stuff ain't cheap. So I am working on packages for the front end, maybe use GT500 kit, maybe another kit. So I'm keeping up on that, and I also like the interior ideas. I do have some side skirts to put on the car, and then I am thinking about another underlip for the front portion. So now that it's finished, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out this weekend. So please like if you liked today's video. Go ahead and throw me a subscribe. Comment down below what videos you want to see next. And just like that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
But now you're out of time.